Hey guys, so today is Earth Day, and today I have a really fun craft or activity for us to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make earth, paper, seed bombs. See, there's mine. It looks like the earth. It's got the seeds in it. So what you're going to need to do this is blue and green construction paper, scissors, a cookie cutter, a few bowls, because you're going to need to keep your blue and green paper separated, some paper towel, and a blender. I don't have a blender, so I'm using my magic bullet, and it seems to work really well. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up this paper, and I'm going to put them in the bowls, and I'm going to add warm water to them. And I find the more water you add, the better in your blender. Okay, so I added the water. I don't know if you can see, but I put quite a bit. So now I'm just gonna add it into my blender, and I'm gonna blend it all up. Okay, so I'm all done blending. So it came out looking kind of like that. That's what you want. But if you find it's a little too much water, I just used a little sifter and I dumped it in there and drained some of the water out. So then your next step is to add some seeds. Put a little bit in each bowl, however many you want. And then you're gonna stir it and mix it all together. So when you're all done, that part now is the fun part. The part to make your little earth bomb. So I'm gonna start with green, and I'm just gonna take it in my hands and I'm just gonna squeeze the water out of it. So it kind of looks like this. But as you put it in your cookie cutter, you can shape it how you want it. Okay, so here you can see my little earth coming together. So I'm just gonna take some of the blue and show you what I mean. You squeeze it out, and then you can put it anywhere in there, and you can kind of shape it and squish it in wherever you want it. Let's add a little bit more green. And there you go, guys, it's all done. So just remove the cookie cutter, and it's time to just let it dry out. And once it's dry, you can go ahead and plant it anywhere outside or inside if you want to. If you enjoyed this activity, please post pictures of you and your family planting these in your yards. Happy Earth Day!